table from this one to this one, then come with me on this journey. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is TLC Gregory-jonah. If it's your first time here, hey, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I hope that you're subscribed. If not, kindly do so by clicking the button above. Today, I'm showing you how I revamped and turned this tabletop from this to this in just 3 easy steps. If you're interested in watching this, please stick with me. So, on one of my many escapades to Mushi Market in Lagos, Nigeria, to buy fancy fabrics and leather fabrics that I use for background of some of my photos, I stumbled on some really nice quick fix table covers, and knowing that I have been wanting to change my kitchen tabletop, I swung into action. These tabletops are so pretty and extremely easy to use as they have adhesives on them already. All you need to do is to cut to size, peel the back cover, and voila, you apply. They're also pretty cheap. They start at 500 naira for a yard. That's a lot, but you can buy as little as half yard depending on the size of the table you're working with. Also, they are multi-purpose. You can use them for an array of things as decoration and creating aesthetics is concerned. These are some of the newer ones that the lady mentioned they were sampling as wallpapers. They look pretty, don't they? Interior decorators, you better get in here. Anyway, I settled for this plain one for my tabletop because I really wanted it to be plain white and all of that. And then this flowery one, which you'll be seeing in some of my photos soon. Yes, so life of a creative. Everything is a potential photo prop. Yay, I'm back home. And here is the table I want to change it up. Here are a few things you're going to need for this super quick DIY. The surface, obviously, scissors, measuring tape or tape roll, pencil, the table cover that I bought from the market, razor blade, although not pictured here, but we all know what razor blade is. So let's get into it. So first thing to do is to measure the 4 sides of the table. You will want to do this beyond the square space of the table just a bit to give room for a perfect job and to prevent mistakes like the table cover being too short and not covering the table well. Once you know the measurement, next is to cut the table cover. Place the cover on the floor and secure on all sides to ensure it's not folding up like mine, and measure out the size that is perfect for the table with a measuring tape and mark with a pencil. Once that is done, grab your scissors and cut through the marked points, keeping your hands as straight as possible. Once you finish cutting, try to smoothen the table cover you cut out like so to remove air bubbles which may affect its proper application. Application time, first you check to ensure that it fits. Yes, it did. Now clean the tabletop and peel off the covering at the back of the table cover to reveal the adhesive part. Place the cover on top of the table which you initially measured, and voila. Stay steady and be careful while doing this so you don't scrunch up the table cover and end up wasting it. This is because the adhesive at the back is so strong, and once it's scrunched up, it's so difficult to pull apart, and that means wastage. Once you've placed the table cover neatly, what's left to do is to neaten the edges for a nice finish. To do this, I'll be using these tiny scissors to cut the extras off to reveal a nearly perfect job. After which I'll now go in with a blade to put all of the finishing touches. I didn't just use a blade directly because the extra edges are a bit wide and I won't see it well enough, and that will cause the blade to cut my palm in several places because of the intensity with which I'll be holding it. So it's safer to use a scissors first and then razor blade later. Once I'm happy with the edges, I do the final bit of neatening up and then just throw the dirt away pretty much, and yeah, that's my tabletop already revamped and fresh and ready for pictures. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you find it useful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If there are specific videos you would like me to film in the future, please leave a comment down below and I'll be glad to grant your request. Don't forget to check me out on all social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. I am at Gregory-jonah on all my social media platforms. And until next time, peace.